There is no R, so no chance to solve. Irene? There's no S.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for Tazewell County in central Illinois, southeastern Peoria County in central Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado and widespread significant wind damage near Spring Lake, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado, 100-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and up to baseball-size hail. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of a building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, evacuate and get inside a substantial shelter. Please report any large hail, damaging winds to the National Weather Service or your local law enforcement agency.
That's what happens when you land on a 2500 and pick one with 7 letters. That's all there is to it. We'll be back and try to keep the big money winning going here. Boy, you can relax now.
Experience the entertainment capital of the world in style at the Venetian Las Vegas.
All right, category for this next round is occupation. There it is.